Hello YouTubers, we got this is a social comedy. I'm just joking. This is a real life thing. We got this from NigaHiga, and we're making a video of how many people can honk and support Japan.
We're gonna cause something. We're gonna get like all these accidents and stuff.
Come on, we gotta move. We're being a public
We're being a public disturbance in this area.
Come on, where's Brian? We gotta move.
I don't know. Where's Brian?
I already saw one of the neighbors come out. Halo? Yeah, sure. I don't need it.
Wait, which Halo?
We can play. 3. Yeah, he's been borrowing it for quite. Oh, you got a bus! Miguel, get that bus!
Miguel, you got a bus!
You got it! Get the bus!
Guys, get the bus!
Get the bus!
Come on! Come on, buddy! Yeah! We got the bus! Awesome!
Oh, come on, Toka. Alright, YouTubers, we'll be back in a few minutes with part 2. Alright? No,
Are you uploading all this to YouTube?
I'm putting it on YouTube.
We got some. Why don't you just start killing me? Here, you want me to? Yeah?
We got our friends over there across the street. If you can see them, we got our 2 friends here. And we got our other friend over there. Sorry.
Oh, sure.
Well, we gotta wait for Brian. He's hurrying up. We're being a public disturbance.
Toka, if you can hear me, hurry up! Hurry up, Brian! Get that chill stop. Get that chill stop again. All the entire people. Baseball people are watching this. Baseball people are practicing.
I bet you on Monday, about like half of the student body is gonna be like, "Hey, are you those kids that making them honk?"
Yeah, you're making those.
Where are you guys going?
Big cars Honk For Japan.
We're donating the money to the Red Cross
Okay.
to support the disaster relief.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
I mean, we didn't want to do a bake sale because
When is the police come? Do you guys have a permit?
no.
Be careful with that.
Yeah, we're trying. Ryan, we have to move. We're gonna be a public disturbance. So, all right. Okay.